Alright, we recording. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another session. Another trading session. This is Friday. What is it? The 29th of August. I'm so ready to get up out of August. We're gonna act like what happened yesterday did not happen. I definitely did. I didn't go on tilt, but I definitely did just get bored and get impulsive and just took a trade. But like I said, I took a trade on an eval that was only 49 cents, so I didn't care nothing about it. But um, it's actually capped though. That's actually a lot. I care about it 'cause I actually do want to pass that account. So I'm gonna take it out of drawdown and I'm gonna pass it. I know it's possible. So I done did it before. Um, so yeah, we gonna market open in basically 1 minute. Y'all see it's 9:29 down here. Oh, y'all can't see that. It's 9:29, and yeah, we gonna get to it. We gonna get to it today. It's news this morning. Let me see what news we had. Sorry. We have GDP that came out and core PCE that came out. Oh no, GDP was Canada. We had PCE that came out. I'm sorry. So yeah, that was only news, and it caused a little spike or whatever in the market. Caused a little bit of ruckus in the market. What's that right here? No, that's not. That's dang. So hold on, let me take this out. That's that right there, that little spike. So I could mark out those data highs and data lows. I always do that, but oops, did not mean to do that. But yeah, maybe we'll have a good day today. I actually woke up in a very, very great mood. Yeah, man, I think I want to just start having fun on this mug, bro. I think I'm getting more comfortable on the camera. I ain't been on YouTube in a little minute, but yeah, I'm getting more comfortable on the camera. It ain't like I'm doing much. I'm just turning on, just recording. Like I ain't editing nothing, so I'm having fun doing this right now. Even like my losses, I don't really care. Like I'm just trading, man. I'm just blessed to even have learned how to trade. I'm blessed to be consistent with it and been going this far. It's almost a year. It'll be a year next month, so that I've been on the charts almost every single day. And it's good because it can show you guys how the journey is. It's nothing easy. And it just wrinkles. It just get the wrinkles out, get the kinks out. If you got anything going on, it definitely will take the kinks out. It'll if you're undisciplined. I mean, I'm a pretty, for the most part, disciplined person. So, but if you're impatient, different stuff like that, it take that out of you, man. So that's why I do like trading. I do love trading. It's pretty good, and I can make money doing it. So, but yeah, let me go hop to the 15 minutes just to let y'all know this is Asia high, London high. And I think this is what PM session high or something. But this is like what high of day. So just want to mark that out. Or previous day high, not high of day, but previous day high. So just mark those out. But we're gonna drop to the 15 minute. What's the volume looking like? It's kind of already. I might still just stay off of this eval until next month. I mean, off of this my funded account until next month. Just so we can I need to let the market get into a groove again, because as of right now, it's just seem like seek and destroy. Seem like just indecisiveness, and I don't want to keep trading in that right now. Not with my funded. But matter of fact, I'm gonna turn the trade copy on right now just to see, and if I end up wanting to turn it off, then I'll turn it off. If I like what I see, I won't trade with it. But if I don't like what I see, I mean. But for right now, I'm gonna turn it on. Lead account. Say enabled. All right. Back to the chart. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. I think it's gonna be good value. I would hope it's good value today. I'm liking the downside, to be honest, even though we do have liquidity up top. But matter of fact, let me look at the top time frame again. I actually might like. Yeah, I actually like the upside. Actually, I like the upside. We had that strong push up. We already hit equilibrium, to be honest, so I can see us pushing up a little higher, trying to get back to all-time highs. Yeah, we disrespected this gap right here. It's right here, so with that move up yesterday, and basically already hit equilibrium. Yeah, we basically already hit equilibrium in this price range. Can't really see it, but that price range was that was the real range. But other than that, yeah, I think we pushed up because that was kind of like close to equilibrium. So I think we push up higher today. Take out this little low resistance or whatever, what seems low resistance to me. Even though it's high time frame, I'm still learning though. So, but yeah, I think we go up. At least try to get into this gap, this 4-hour bearish. But I think we break that today. To be honest, I really do. I think we break that. I don't know. Then we just go from there. We just see what price do. We be reactive. Take a smart trade today. I won't get bored today. If I get bored, I just hop off. To be honest, like that mean if I get bored like I did yesterday, that means it's just taking too long, and price is not doing what I wanted to do. So yesterday, I could say I did kind of build a bad habit, but I don't want to continue doing that. This price action is ugly right now, though, to be honest with you. It's already, I don't know, it's already showing me indecisiveness. But let's get to it. Pushing down, though. Probably gonna break this little 1 minute fair value gap. I did learn yesterday though, cause with that reverse orb, I kind of know how to react to it now. That's why I don't really care. I mean, the loss didn't happen then. The loss happened way after I figured that out. But if I watched yesterday's video, but I learned how to do that, and I'm not mad at that. Like, I'm really, truly not mad at that day yesterday. It was actually a very, 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 very informative day. That was a good, very, very good example of how to use the reverse orb, and it aligned with the high time frame bias. Even though, like I said, I don't have daily bias. I don't do daily bias, but I expect price to go certain places because of certain price action. So, like I just showed y'all that I feel like the price will go bullish today. Damn bug. I feel like price will go bullish today because of this and that. Okay, this is what I like to see. As long as it's some value, that's all I care, bro. That's all I care about. But yeah, I do think we go up. We do have we just hit equilibrium of that price. We hit equilibrium yesterday or whatever, that price range, and I think we go up. I'm waiting on the expansion, but it is Friday. Already more of a low probable, improbable day. So, in my opinion, my best days on the charts are always Wednesdays and Thursdays. I like those 2 days the most. It's like Tuesday, I don't know. Tuesday, I do lose a lot on Tuesday. I don't know why I lose on Tuesdays, but price action on Tuesdays are usually good. I just think it's maybe the August talk. That August is pretty bad, so maybe that's what it is. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I gotta use the restroom. I have to use the restroom. So what I am going to do, I got 15 minutes until so this candle is done. Really, I don't have that much time. I got 6 minutes, but I'm gonna head to the bathroom real quick. I should be good. Now I feel like I don't want to leave yet, cause I don't want to miss anything. Hold up, I might just stay off. Never mind. Never mind, bruh. I do like the volume. I don't know. I don't want to be missing nothing. Price action is looking good. If price wants to go up, it has to go down first. So that's what I'm liking. Give me a good range. Go down as much as you want to. And then let's pop up. I really do miss my jazz though. I've been putting on the fireplace to substitute from the jazz. Cause I kept getting copyrighted. But it's a vibe. I ain't mad at it. Close this window though. Man, put in the comments how y'all been doing though with y'all trading journey. If y'all watching, tell me how y'all been doing. Tell me how long y'all been trading. I would love to build a little community on this page, on this channel, just to help each other out. Y'all could be trading different strategies. It doesn't matter. I feel like all strategies work. It just depends on I don't know if I want to say it like that, but it depends on your psychology. I just say that. It depends on your psychology. All strategies work. It just depends on your psychology. So, if y'all have a strategy or anything, just y'all can put it in the comment section. Have a conversation with somebody else in the comment section, but just no hate. Like I said, this trading community is very, very toxic, very, very racist. So please, no hate comments, no racist comments. And don't be down to somebody for their strategy, man. People trade their own strategy. People trade their own way. I trade my own way. And that's what it's about, building your own strategy. It's okay. You don't have to trade what everybody else trade. You don't have to trade how everybody else trades. So it's all about building your own strategy, bro. Obviously, learn, but never feel like you can't, trade your own stuff. Trade your own way. There's nothing wrong with doing that. I like how price moving though, for the most part. It is a lot of wiki action though. Got 1 minute to that orb is set. Price is pushing down. I don't expect price to jump all the way back up, so I know this might be the top of the orb. Oops. Assuming that's gonna be the bottom of the orb. Alright, orb is set. Now we can drop down to the 1 minute, see what happens. Already breaking out, but let's see what the volume's looking like on that breakout. If it gives me a real breakout or not. I'm liking the volume. I'm liking that volume to the downside, but we'll see how this next candle works. I wonder if there's SMT being made right now. Got this. Well, it should go under that. Oh, okay, it's not SMT. Good. It's actually good on my part. It's actually good for me. Don't you go up there, price. Don't you go up there. Make this gap. Make this gap for me. I'm loving this right now, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Give me... Okay, I like this. Price come test this gap. I'm jumping in. Or it can create this gap. And whatever one they want to hit. I'm jumping into the downside though, for sure. If it gives me an entry. Hopefully it does. Two fair value gaps formed. I've seen these before. I played these games before. Don't give me an entry. Okay.
Order filled.
I mean, probably in a little prematurely. I kind of got a bad entry, I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay. Price is about to go down for me. Finna mark it out for y'all. Just hold up. Got in. I don't like the where I got in, to be honest, but it's okay. Because price could want to come and hit that support, but I don't think it will. I think it's gonna respect these gaps. Let me see. I got in at 553. So I got in a little not where I wanted to be at. I'm not gonna lie. I could have waited a little longer till it got up there a little more, but that's okay. What, 553 53? Yeah, 553 53. Oh, 553 25. I'm tripping. So I'm gonna go for a little 1 and 2. Got my stop right here, constant closing that wick or that gap. 1 and 2 would be about right there. Set that over here. I'm liking this trade. Don't want to get too greedy though, bro. I wanna, like I said, I just want to end the week, in a week of green, bro. I'm already up about 500. I'm definitely gonna trail my stop. Oh wow. Don't like that wick. I'm not really scared of that though, because as you can see on ES, there's still a gap it would have to even fight through. So I'm expecting this gap to be held. I kind of wish I would have got in a little earlier though. ES got this little gap, so I can see this being respected. There is no SMT, is there? Let me see. I just checked that, but just want to make sure ain't no SMT here. I don't know. Not that I can see. Oh, it is SMT. That changes things a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. That might. I don't know. We'll see. I actually don't like that much, because we did just inverse. This could be a L, actually. I didn't see the SMT, but we'll see. That's why it's a scalping strategy. Get in, get out. Still liking this trade though, I'm not gonna lie. I actually might lose this one. Depending on this, like, you might want to touch, like, I would love for this guy to be, like, to just hold me up. Wow, I might lose this. This strategy has been working good for me. This will be the first time I actually see this strategy just bomb if I do end up losing this. I want ES to hold this gap. Give me another swing down. It's usually, even if it is going to reverse, it usually doesn't reverse, or it usually doesn't reverse like a clean V-shaped recovery. You usually get another swing down anyway. At least one swing. I actually be a little surprised this loses. Because this is a very, very clean trade. I actually like this trade a lot. But it's showing strong. It's just that S&T. So I don't know. I might hop out of this. But I don't want to show y'all, how to not trust yourself. But actually, the S&T is a little iffy in my eyes. Kind of wish I would have got a better entry.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take my money right there. Not gonna lie. And then we'll see what happens the rest of the time. Because of how the week has already been, I'm gonna take my profits right there. And I just wanna make it out. I wanna make it out of this month, man. I'm not mad to see it's gonna hit, but that's why you trust yourself. But I'm a beginner. Well, not a beginner. I'm intermediate at this point. But CTP is probably about to get hit. I could have stayed in. I really did like this trade a lot, but that S&T was a little scary, and I just want to. I shouldn't have flattened it. I should have just trailed my stop aggressively. But that's a learning experience. That's what I could do next time. It looks like TP is about to get hit. Maybe. But I'm open to take another trade if I like it enough. Let me see. SMT was here. Oh. I do expect TP to be hit though, at least. Probably should have stayed in. Yeah, I should have stayed in that mug. But I'll take my money, I ain't gonna lie. I'll take that. Let me see. And that's why I say I need to kind of unlearn some stuff. Because at this point, the S&T is probably not even still in there. Yeah, I could be up a little more than what I'm up. I think I made, 500 on that? 4 or something? Oh, it could have been a lot more. But that's not the only trade we're going to take. We're going to see what happens. I still, like I said, I am still bullish on the day. I still want to see price go up today. Now, if I would have got an entry, because usually it's just been times where Like if I would have got in right here at this wick, at this test of this the volume gap, the gap with the volume I wanted to see, I would have got a way better trade. But since I got in right here, I got in right here because of this gap right here, and it's been times where, like, I wish I can go back and show y'all, but trade was it was a lot of volume, which I guess they could have told me that it could possibly just come up and take this one, or tap that one. But I've seen that so many times that this gap always gets respected, and then price leaves me. So I like to just go and get in, see what this price is gonna do, or see what this gap is gonna do, and then hop in. But I kind of do wish I would have stayed in a little bit though. I kind of wish I would have stayed in. I feel like it's still finna go down, hit TP. We got gap, we still got volume to the downside. So if I want to get in line, I could get in line right now, but I don't want to. I'd rather just see price come back, maybe touch this gap, and see what direction it wants to go. I would love to see it do it. I would love to see a reverse strategy happen though. Because at the end of the day, let me see. I think it's there still SMT. But I would end my week like this. Let me see. I don't usually have to check the P&L, but yeah, I'm still down on the week. This will be a red week, but I wouldn't be mad because on the week I'm still down about $300. So, but there still is SMT, so I could see price. Oh, wait, I know I wasn't tripping when I said it was SMT. Was I tripping this whole time, y'all? Maybe I was tripping this whole time. There's no SMT. Unless that just got taken out here. I think it was just SMT, but it got taken out. It got taken out. Okay. See, and that's still why I like. You just stick to what you're supposed to do. But I do. Consequent encroachment this week already. So, you got this gap right here. That is it's in a bullish 15-minute. I'm gonna go to the hourly though. Yeah, it's in this bullish hourly. It's fine in here. So that is what price was reaching for right now. So this is why I can see the strategy. This is why I can see it reversing. But overall, that was a good trade. I might really just be done for the day and call it a week, to be honest. Might be done and calling it a week. And then just get ready for September, man, because this August has just been, like I said, August has just been weird. But I definitely could have held that for more. It definitely almost hit TP. And that's why I always like to just take it like a little bit before it hit TP. But because I always get edged. But man, I just want to be in profit for the day. I ain't gonna lie. But like I say, learn from me. Don't do as I do. Don't do as I do. Learn from my mistakes. Because I definitely could have held that. Because I probably left about a good extra 500 on the table. And I could have been green on the week. But like I said, my rules is really to one winner a day. Like if I win, I'm off. If I lose, I can, like if I lose small at least, then I won't mind jumping to another one. But I kind of wish I would have sized up on this because it looked super clean. I knew this was going to go down at least one more time, especially with this candle. I knew it was going to come at least, and then it protected me with another fair value gap. Like these two fair value gaps protected me to the downside at least a little bit, for the most part. So I had already had confirmation that it was going down. Yeah, I do kind of wish I sized up maybe 2 contracts, but I only put 1 contract because I already has been in the red this week. So, but TP like it's finna get hit. Yeah, I probably left an extra 300, 400 on the table. Not mad at that though. TP hit. That was a beautiful trade, I'm not gonna lie. A beautiful trade. And it's still more volume to the downside. Especially it's like it's gonna break this gap, even though that's an hourly gap. But look at this volume. Like I wouldn't mind getting in line again, but does price really have reason to keep going down? I would assume. But it wanted this gap. It wanted, I guess, this gap again. But we've bounced off this gap plenty of times. Is he gonna break it? Oh, see, it's breaking on. It's inversing that gap here. It's actually pretty surprising. Again, this mother again. I still feel like the upside is in play though. The upside is, it has to be. I mean, but you never know. Price could, cause like I said, we've been in this. You see this range, this ugly range we've been in. So like it could, this could be what they call a head and shoulders to the downside or whatever. But I don't know. Now I kind of wish I would have kept that on, man. Like for real now. But that's the overanalyzing stage. You don't want to always overanalyze. It gave me two gaps again. Boom, boom. And you give me two gaps over here. Yeah, that downside is looking promising again. I could have kept this trade on. Definitely could have kept this trade going. Price is dumping right now. I love days like this though. I love days where I can just kind of get in line. But do I want to take another trade? I don't know. I'm already green on the day. I want to stay green on the day. I got my funded back in the positive though, so that is good for me. Which is probably another reason, like, cause when I saw it back in the positive, I kind of was already impulsive on like getting out. I was like, okay, yeah, let's go and get up out of here. Like, like I ain't trying to, cause I tell you, man, if you don't take profit, the market will take that profit from you. So that's what I've been learning. So I'm gonna take my profit when I see it. I ain't gonna be greedy about it. I'm gonna just take my wins. But y'all can see how confident I was in this trade. I know it seemed like I probably wasn't that confident when price gave me a little bit of drawdown. With this strategy, I don't get a lot of drawdown. So like as you can see, it gave me a little bit, two, 3 candles in drawdown, 4 right here. So this strategy usually doesn't give me that much drawdown. I usually go for the 1 or 2, and so that's why I wasn't not confident though. I still was pretty confident in this trade just because I was just protected by these 2 gaps. So it respected this gap for the most part already. Went back up. Okay, you want this gap a little bit. Want to wick it? Maybe hit consequent where my stop was at. So I was a little nervous because it almost hit my TP, but then it not TP but stop loss. Then we flushed down. So overall, good trade though, bro. Good trade. I'm not gonna lie, it's a very, very good trade. And it's dumping though, cause they don't even want to give me another entry. Not that I'm gonna get in, but yeah. But with that being said, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick, And when I come back, if I see anything else I like, I might take it. But it'll have to be something up here. It'll have to be a reverse at this time. At this point in time, I'm not taking anything else to the downside because I really don't think price wants to go down this far. But it really could. It could. But I think a reverse is on the way. But yeah, I'm going to the bathroom. Let me murk myself. Alright, I'm back, y'all. I might edit that, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna do y'all like that too much. Light price still going down, I see. Without entry though. I see it slowing down though. It's definitely slowing down a bit. But yeah, it didn't even give me an entry if I was here. It didn't tap a gap or nothing. Tap a gapper. 5 alpha. Yeah, I don't mind this. If y'all know me personally, y'all know I wear basically everything vintage for the most part. And this is a 2001 vintage band tee, ACDC tie dye tour tee. Came to my hometown. It's thrifted, so yeah, this is gonna be fun, bro. I wanna turn this channel into like something fun, man. So I think I was saying that earlier. I want this to be a little more fun. I want to be able to like show y'all the fun side of me, not just me trading. And this is gonna be my trading channel, but I don't know if I'm gonna make this my, cause I always wanted to do YouTube and have a travel channel where I just travel around the world. Cause that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just traveling around the world, trading and shopping for vintage clothing. That's really what I want to do, and then just giving back to people in need. That's all I want to do. That's a fulfilling life to me. Spreading the gospel, spreading the word. So I always tell y'all, read y'all Bible and put into action what y'all read, learn that wisdom. So yeah, this is a good entry right here, kind of. But anyway, no, it's not actually, cause prices slowed down. But yeah, man. So I don't know. Should I end it right now? I guess I might end it. I know a lot of my videos have been long for the most part. But yeah, I think I might go ahead and end it right here. I already got a W for y'all. I might lock myself out and just end this month. It ain't typically green, but the week ain't green. But let me see. Did I end the month green? I think I actually did. Did I end the month green? Oh, man. I thought I was positive. I'm down $20. It's okay. Anyway, I'm getting out of this month. I passed an account on this month. I got an eval earlier this month. So, I mean, I got a funded account earlier this month, and it's one of the hardest months, apparently, to people. This is what people saying. Discipline is coming in a little more better. So I'm excited, bro. I'm excited for what's to come for Q4, and this is a strategy I'm gonna be trading. And yeah, I think we do good this month. September. I think September is gonna be a great month. I'm excited, bro. I truly am. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited. I think a lot will happen. There'll be a lot of winners, because I'm learning. Like, even learning that reverse strategy yesterday was very, very good for me. So yeah. But I'm glad to take my win today. I'm taking my win today because a lot of it has been losses. So, well, I took 2 losses this week, on Tuesday and Thursday, and the other Monday and Wednesday I didn't trade at all. So yeah, I'm thinking this is about to come up here, maybe try to touch this gap and then go back down some more. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here, you guys. I'm still gonna be on the charts, but I ain't gonna trade now. Probably finna just gonna lock myself out and yeah, go from there. And I'll see y'all next month. See y'all. Labor Day is Monday, so we might not be on here Monday, but we will be on here Tuesday. But I think the charts are, the market is closed on, I think the market is closed. Yeah, it's a bank holiday. The market's closed on Monday next week, but Tuesday I will be on the charts. And we got ready for the news at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. So I'm ready for that. September 2nd, y'all see me again. I'm loving this. This is actually starting to get a little fun. Especially because, especially want to get some winners for y'all. Teach y'all how to catch some banger trades like that. And we go from there. I didn't execute this trade that good because at the end of the day, I still took it off like around right here. So I only got only like $450 something. So, but still overall a good trade. Man, I'm steady just happy. Let me get up off here, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Y'all have a blessed one. Y'all stay positive. Tell y'all mama y'all love them. Tell y'all daddy y'all don't know about it that, but y'all will try to love them more. And y'all have a good one. Yeah.